Extet from Forex Trading Unlocked, and we are here today on November 30th with a US dollar Canada Forex analysis for you for the week, and we'll see how things are shaping up. Before we get into that, we have our disclaimer here to remind you that this video is for illustrative and educational purposes only. And also, we want to give you one quick plug to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forex Trading Unlocked, and to check out the book High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, available on Amazon.com in paperback and Kindle versions. Without further ado, let's go to our live action screen. We have the Forex-Trading-Unlocked.com website pulled up with the workstation page already set up for you here. We have a potential double bottom that is formed today. The day is not over yet, so we could still make new lows, and it wouldn't be a bottom. So we'll see how it occurs. We have a few more hours left in the U.S. session. Should we settle where we're at or higher, or somewhere around the levels we're trading at right now, it's a good indication that we will have locked in a double bottom on the short run, and we'll be looking to see if we can find a potential buy signal. Now remember, this is a bearish trend overall for the US Canada right now going into this trade, but with the way that we bounced off of this low today, that's why we're looking for this potential double bottom forming. Double bottom meaning on a daily basis. Now, on an hourly basis, here's what happened. The market opened up, and wow, it just fell through the floor. But then, a couple hours ago, like a balloon underwater, it stomped a low, double bottoming, and now coming back up to the levels where we're at right now. So we're only slightly lower on the day. On the hourly basis, we're still negative. On the daily basis, we're still negative. However, because of the significant low where it's at right now, we are looking at a potential double bottom. So notice how that we had this low over here, and this is key too. This was our key support level, key pivot level. This purple line here at $1.29.99, so basically $1.30. And we're trading right now at $1.29.81. If we can get a rally above that little area right there, I would say that that would be a very good indication that we are setting a short-term bottom, and we are going to look to make higher move highs and challenge resistance. Does that mean I'm an overall bull? Absolutely not. Am I trying to jump in front of a trade without a signal? No, just because of the low that was stamped on a very fundamental technical basis, it looks like we're trying to find a bottom part of a range, possibly not necessarily become a bull. Remember, we're coming into the end of the year. It's also end of the month. That's the irony of this bottom today. If this is just profit taking on the month and funds are just unloading positions to get their balance their books a little bit and get their numbers looking nice for the closeout of November, and it's an institutional sell-off in the currencies, meaning buying of US dollars today, then that's just a daily thing that we're looking at, and who knows, the trend may just whipsaw right back tomorrow. I think that because of the momentum shift in all the other major currencies, and we have potential buy and sell signals versus these currencies versus the dollar, meaning dollar bull buy signals versus these currencies, that just means that, to me, I would say that even if the dollar index rallies, that the US dollar Canada will be being a bear. So I'm not overly bullish this market. I'm just saying that we're looking for a potential turn in the US dollar Canada. Today's close, even if it settles where it's at, being lower on the day, that just still keeps us in this outlook of kind of looking to buy breaks and looking. Now we've made a series of lower move lows and lower move highs. That is indicative of what? A downtrend. Higher move highs and higher move lows is an uptrend. So in the hourly basis, we don't have this, but what we do have is this V-shaped vertical bounce on the today's trading. So we're only slightly lower, but we locked in, bounced off of that key support area like a balloon underwater. So that tells me that we're most likely going to consolidate. I don't expect much more heavy trading for today, but we'll see, at the look and see how tomorrow's open goes, and especially if we get trading above this $1.29.99 area, that has us in the short run on an intraday basis looking for a challenge of resistance and higher move highs. I wouldn't expect much of a rally I don't see us getting higher than around this $1.30 half, maybe up to $1.31 even. So we'll see how this shapes up. We have to wait for the close of today. Like I said, though, the way the dollar is going versus most of the other currencies globally, it's we're setting up for a very good potential double bottom. Now, I usually look for more than just this. That's why I'm saying this is just the beginning of a buy signal. So if we do have a close today and we don't get take out this low, which I really don't stream of an afternoon, where unless the dollar bears really come out and jump on all the other currencies and start selling the dollar, I don't see that happening. So I'd be very cautious if you're a bear taking profits right now. If you didn't do it earlier, now it might be your indication that you might want to take a little off the table and wait a couple of days at least to sell into a rally before you really try and push this trade. So we'll see how it manifests over the next couple of days. Do me a favor real quick though, before you turn off the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not, Forex Trading Unlocked, and also check out the book High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns on our website. You go to Products, Courses, and Services, hit the High Probable Japanese Candlestick Pattern tab, and then on that you can see a quick video that will highlight the book and what's going on in it, or you can check out the book itself. You can buy it, you can share it with a friend, or you can preview it just to see if you like it first. So we're waiting for this buy signal to be completed. Right now we have the double bottom low, but we have to wait for the close of today to confirm it. That would be a short-term buy signal, looking for higher move highs and higher move lows to follow through. So until then, I want to thank you very much for your time.